Hey everyone! So some of us over at the Creative Nails Collab decided to fit in one more design this month, which was Winter Wonderland. This is my one. I'm not sure if it's really Winter Wonderland, but I do like how it came out. So these are the colours I'm going to be using today. I will have, I'm not sure how many have done videos, but I will have, I know for sure that Tammy's done a video, so I will definitely have a playlist link. Also, if you go over to Instagram and check out our hashtag, and you can see everyone's designs there, because we do have some that don't do videos. So yep, I'm going to stick some music on, so sit back, relax, and I shall come back at the end. Okay, see you on the other side. Okay, I'm just going to apply the final top coat now. I will have a glow picture at the end as well, because I forgot to say that I used a glow in the dark gel polish for this one. I actually like how it came out. It's not exactly what I had in my head, but yeah, I still think I think it turned out really pretty. Let me know down below what you think. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoyed my video. I know it's a very simple design, but yeah, I just thought, well, I'll do something quite quick and quite simple that, you know, if somebody else did want to like recreate it or do it or something, it would be easy enough to do rather than having it all complicated and everything. So yeah, let me know down below what you think. Don't forget to check out everybody else's designs, and yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next video, or getting geared up for Christmas. It's going to be very, very busy. So yeah, please check out everybody else's designs. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you're not subscribed to me or follow me over on Instagram, please do. And yeah, if you're not following or subscribed to everybody else, please consider doing so. And hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.